Welcome to Krafty Max BeadALong 4 Part 2. Okay, so you finished your earrings, and I'm going to show you really one quick trick before I go much farther. This is a jump ring. I've been using mine for, as you can see, many years. It is just a tool instead of another set of pliers. And when you open a jump ring, you always want to open them like this, like I just did with the twist. You never want to open them this way. It'll actually hurt the integrity of the ring. So you open a ring and you put it on, and I'm going to show you the difference between a 1 and 2 rings on the earrings. Now, if you only put one ring, then when you wear the earring, it'll be beside your face and straight along the edges of your face. If you do 2 rings, it'll hang sideways and be more flashy, and you'll see it more. So that's a little trick depending on how you want to wear it. Now, I'm going to skip ahead. I've already started, as you can see, the second round here of my necklace, and the only difference between this and the earrings is one, the size of the crystal, and the other is the count. So instead of doing 5 on the first set of seed beads, you do 9, and that's just to compensate for the larger size of the crystal. So I've done the first circle, I've done the second round, and now I'm doing the third round. So we're going to add 9 this time. Okay, a large 6mm and 1, just like we did before, and we're going to catch that first ring, or the first seed bead, to make this ring. Now, if you don't like the 9 and you want to adjust it up or down, that is totally your option. This can be done with Swarovski crystals, it can be done with gemstones, it can be done with just about anything that you like to do it with, as long as you have this little swirl in the back. That's what gives it its look. So it's 9, 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, and pull it tight. And we're going to go all the way around doing it this way again. And again, if you hadn't already started your your necklace and you wanted to look back at the first video, or if I'm going a little too fast, go ahead and pause it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. And the goal is to make it a little bit bigger, of course, than the earrings. And it makes it just a little more bold with the larger crystals too. Okay, and then I have one more, which is my ending swirl. Okay, find out which one I go into and go all the way up and around. Now the only other difference, and again this is just adjusting the number of beads, it's not changing the pattern. Okay, there you go. Is that for my little loop, instead of doing 11 like I did on the earrings, I'm going to do 15 so that there's a larger loop. Okay, there's 15, and I'm going to go through from one crystal to the next crystal. Now I want to reinforce this a little bit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the path that the thread was already on and make a circle. Maybe. The seed beads don't always cooperate with me either.